Hi everybody, this is CR number 13, helper video number 3. It says solve c divided by -3 equals -2. We'll try to remember that when it says to solve that we are going to actually find a value for our variable, which will be letter C. So the first thing I need to do is get C by itself. In order to get C by itself, I have to look how it's attached to the number below it, and it's attached by division. That's what this bar means. So the opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply the left side by a -3. I'm going to show that with parentheses. And I'm going to multiply the right side by -3 because anything I do to the left, I do to the right. These cancel out because anything divided by itself is 1. So I'm left with C. And it might have sounded weird the way I said that, but the reason why I said that is because I'm multiplying by -3 over 1. -3 times C is -3C, and 1 times -3 is -3. So these -3's do cancel out because anything divided by itself is 1. So I just wanted to clarify that. Then I'm going to multiply the right side. -2 times -3. Negative times a negative is a positive, and 2 times 3 is 6. So there's my answer. Good luck.